How to let go of pattern thinking. All of us have common mistakes we make and common traits that hold us back. We're all guilty of occasionally falling into old habits and routines that we associate with suboptimal performance. Maybe you're someone who is very pessimistic. Maybe you're an angry person with a short temper. Maybe you're known for trying to cut corners and making mistakes as a result. You might try to break free from these associations, but find that it's hard to do so. We often fall back into our old ways and end up making the same old mistakes. Why is this? And what can you do about it? The problem we are describing here is sometimes referred to as pattern thinking. It means that our thoughts take on certain predictable patterns that are hard for us to break out of. So how do you overcome this pattern thinking? Where does it come from? Pattern thinking is a result of brain plasticity, the ability of the brain to change and grow in response to the way you use it. Every time you think or do something new, you create new pathways and connections as physical alterations in the biology of the brain. But if the brain is so changeable, how does this lead to pattern thinking? The problem is that if you keep doing the same thing, then you will keep reinforcing the same behavior. Imagine a ski slope. The snow is highly malleable. But if everyone takes the precise route to the bottom, then that route will become deeply ingrained and it will be harder to go any other way. This is what happens in the brain. By repeating the same thoughts over and over, those thoughts become deeply ingrained and hard to override. So what can you do? There are a few things. The first is to make a good conscious effort to change yourself and to change how you view yourself. You can even throw a good pie party for your old self in order to restart life as someone new. This big gesture can help you to let go of those old patterns of behavior. Another option is to change your environment. The nature of our thoughts is such that they are triggered by many of the things in our environment that we have come to associate with them. While not everyone can afford to up and move country, even just redecorating can help you to mark a new start and to change the variables your brain receives as input.